What are the EU plans for research and innovation?
I think Europe plans new programs for the years 2021 to 2027. So this conference here today is very, very timely because we are planning, we are programming, and as regards digital innovation in industries, we will set three main objectives for the years 2021 to 2027. Technical sovereignty. Can we use our technology still in Europe? Sustainability, climate, environment, and also inclusiveness. We have to take our people along with us. Will we have the skill set necessary also to keep the employment and all the jobs in Europe? Overall, we foresee a funding for the years 2021 to 2027 of 100 billion euros. It is up to the ministers of finance now to decide in the coming year whether to give it to us. We think it's an essential investment to keep Europe really leading the world when it comes to new technologies.
So we saw that green economy and circular economy are getting more and more important for Europe and for member states, countries. So what's the relationship between this topic and digitalization?
I think there's a major relationship, and your question is more than pertinent. And you see it already in the new priorities of our President-elect von der Leyen. She puts forward for the Green Deal and puts there the industrial policy. At the same time, she refers to Europe needs to be fit for the digital age. Where's the link? Just give you an example. Take an example like industrial symbiosis. You have a utility, you have plants, you have municipalities working together. What will you create? Big data, artificial intelligence, because you're going to change all the value chains. Circular economy will be a revolution for the value chains also for manufacturers. And to make this happen, I think they need also to focus on digitalization, big data, data analytics and artificial intelligence. So it goes really together in our view.